So we've got a Mercury 90 Optimax here. This is the 3-cylinder, and we're just going to go through some servicing of this engine. So to remove this filter that's in the fuel pump area, we've got a socket fitted here onto this ratchet, and it just engages on there, and then it's just a case of unwinding it and we should be able to draw it out. We may have to take this cover off, and it's just held in with some little pops there, so you literally just lift the cover straight off. Once that's off, we've got the new one here. We'll lubricate the upper and lower O-ring, and we can put it in to its respective place and then tighten it back down. Hopefully you can see that, but it is just a case of unscrewing this. It is quite tight. I wouldn't over tighten this when you're reinstalling it because it is plastic and you do run the risk of damaging the threads. So that's it off there. So it looks like we will have to take this cover off. So for this cover, let's say you literally just lift it off and put that to one side. We might have to move this hose out of the way, or maybe we'll just push it. Yep, we can just push it there, and then we can pull that out. And there we go, we've got the cartridge out. Bit of discoloration there. And this is just a pleated cartridge inside the fuel pump housing there. So like I say, now we'll go ahead, we can lubricate this one, lubricate the upper and lower O-ring, and then we can fit it into there. Quite straightforward, but it does require that tool to get it out. Okay, so I've just lubricated the O-rings, and now we can refit this back in, making sure we don't cross thread it. Then once we're happy, we can get the tool on it and we can start tightening it down. And once it's flush with the housing there, I would suggest that's probably as far as you go, because it is plastic going into a metal housing. You will strip the thread, and it has got 2 O-rings that we've pre-lubricated. So if you see there, that's nice and flush. So that was how you change the cartridge fuel filter on this Mercury 90 3-cylinder.